Welcome back to another video with me and my soul. We are inside my vehicle at this very moment, and I wanted to give you a tidbit on how to swap out halogen bulbs to LED bulbs. Now, I know it doesn't sound like much, but when I tell you when we make this change, it's gonna be like night and day at night, okay? You're gonna see heaven itself when you swap these headlight bulbs. You're going to notice a change. If you have a hard time seeing at night, this is the change that you want to make for your car, because nobody wants to be blind at night, okay? All right, so with the hood popped up, you're gonna go, this will be the passenger side, which will be your easiest side to do. One thing I want you to note is the U and D, so that should mean up and down. So with that, you're gonna use that to point your headlights down or upward. So you'll be using that. So that is what you're gonna be turning left or right. But for the most part, this is the easier side to do. So you see that cap? That's what you're gonna need to do. So you're just gonna, it's just an unscrew off, and you got your bulb here. So you're just gonna push the sides. You're just gonna get the two sides, and you're gonna turn it. And then there's your LED bulb that you're gonna be using. You put it on before. Put it in, and you just turn it. Alright, so that's how you should be in there. And then you just put this cap back on. There is a open and close, so that's what we're gonna do. Here we go. You turn it, and then you're good to go on that side. Now, the right side, not so easy. So again, right side, you're gonna have the cap here, but it's blocked by the box. You got the U and D again, and down there is where it'll be. This one you do have to use a long screw to get down there, unless you adjust it when you have the headlight out. So for this one, we're gonna take this whole thing and pull it out. So tools you're gonna need, gonna be the screws here, or bolts here and over here. So that'll come out, and then really all you do is just kind of pull it out, and that will allow for the whole headlight to come out. And then with the whole headlight, we'll be able to take the bulb out, do just like we did on the left side, no problem. See? Easy. So it's like a pull out. So you're gonna leave everything still connected. All right, so once you have it out, then you can get to that like you did before. Unscrew, pull it out, basically everything we did on the first one. So they're no different, it's just this one you have to actually pull the headlight assembly out, and it's like, so we're out, and then you just put it back in. And last thing you want to do is just make sure you can close it, and you're good to go. So all that's good. All right, so process is like 5 minutes if you really think about it. You're not really afraid to do it. When you pull the bulb out, there will be the seal like I was telling you about. There will be a seal that comes on the new one, so no worries there. If it does not come off with the bulb, it will still be in there. You will not be able to put the new bulb in it, so just note that. Other than that, the process is simple, super simple, and I highly recommend you do it because you will see heaven's front door, okay?